Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset network settings on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open iPhone settings. First unlock your iPhone and open settings. Next tap on general. Step 2. Go to transfer or reset iPhone. Next scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap reset. Step 3. Reset network settings. From the list, tap reset network settings. Then enter your iPhone passcode when prompt. Then tap reset network settings again to confirm. Step 4. What happens after reset? Your iPhone will restart automatically. This reset will erase saved Wi-Fi, networks and passwords, Bluetooth device connections, VPN and cellular data settings. Your apps, photos and personal data will not be deleted. And that's how you can reset network settings on iPhone, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.